how to replace your laptop screen. Hello guys, I want to show you how to replace or change your laptop screen. First off, you have to shut down your laptop, make sure it is off, and then you remove the fishers. Kind of move from up or from the sideways, but use your two hands so it can be easy for you. So you pull out gently, pull out your fishers gently. Your fishers is out. But before then, make sure that you remove your laptop battery. Very important. Before you replace your screen, make sure that your laptop battery is out. So now we have removed the fishers and the laptop battery. Then we have to lose the screws. There are 4 screws that hold the screen, so we have to remove them gently. This is what you can do from the comfort of your home without consulting a technician. It is very easy to do. So you lose your screws gently until the 4 screws that hold the screen is out. So now this is the fishers, this is the connector that connect the screen and the board. So you detach it gently. So you have detached it. So this is the screen, and then this is the new screen that we want to put. So this is the new screen, and you make sure that the connector correspond. You have the big connector and the small connector. So you make sure they correspond. Then you fasten it. Then you place it back gently and make sure that your hanks lap very well. So afterwards, you fasten back your screw. You attach your screen, tie the screw gently. There are 4 screws that hold the screen. You are free to save this video and then you watch it again. If possible, you practice so you can know how to do it yourself. Sometimes these screws can be very stubborn, but you have patience and tighten it gently. You keep tighten and make sure the 4 screws are well fastened. So now you put back your fishers. So these are fishers, you put it back. And then make sure that it laps very well. Make sure it is very tight. You press your hand on it to tighten it. it has to make some noise for you to know to have lock. It needs to lock very well. You keep locking it. You keep locking it. You keep locking it. Now it is fully locked. So we put by your battery. Yes, that's it. This is how you replace your laptop screen. So guys, if this video is helpful, follow, like, share for more.